Hello everybody, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In case you didn't notice, we are going for the mature J-Lo look. So today, that's what we're going to do. We're going to do the eye part of the mature J-Lo look. And I'm going to be using the Milani Bold Obsessions palette. I don't really know what colors he was using or anything. I just have to go by what I saw, because he was using like his new palette that's not out yet, so he wasn't really showing it. So we're just gonna go with what I saw. And what I saw was kind of it was brown. So we're gonna go with this, we're gonna start with this one right here, which he didn't really have a transition color. He basically used the same color all the time. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna go in with this dark brown color, and we're going to go really light-handed, because he only used like 3 colors the whole time. So we're just going to go in really light-handed and pull it way up high. And see what we can get to come out. Because I would love for my eyes to turn out like hers did. But, you know, we go with what we got, right? It's actually a little too brown. Hers was a little more orange, but that's what I have. So that's what we're doing. Okay, now I'm going to take this brush and maybe I'll go into the Most Loved Mattes. So I'm going to go into this kind of rusty colored one right there. Just because this one's not exactly what color I wanted. So I'm going to try and turn it into what I want it to be. Alright, now I'm going to go into this kind of dark, rusty, plummy. No, it's just really dark brown. And put it just right here in this outer V. Yes, I'm using a lot more color than he did, only because colors I picked weren't the right colors. Now I'm going to take this and just take down that line a little bit. And then I'm going to take from the Bold Obsessions palette this gold color, I think, and just put it. It's a lot yellower than I wanted it to be, but it is what it is because I already did it. Let's see if we can tone it down a little. Now, let's take a little bit of this lighter color. Oh, that gold was what I put in there. Now I'm going to take some of this right here. It's a lot lighter. And just put it over the inside of that. Take out some of that yellow. I think that's better. Enough eyeshadow, right? Right. Okay, I am going to now put on some mascara. Okay guys, it was one of those days. No false lashes. I tried to put them on. I have a no-two rule. And if I put them on and they don't go on and I have to take them off, then I put them on again and they still won't go on, that means that's my rule. I put them on twice, and if they don't go on, they're not going on. So anyways, I just curled my lashes again, put on some more mascara. I did add a little underneath here, and I added a brown, my roller liner. I did add a little brown liner because I needed something to lift my eyes since I had no false lash eyeliner. I had no eyeliner because I was going to use false lashes, and then I didn't. So I added a little bit of brown liner. But that's it. This is our look. This is our J-Lo look. What do you think? Do I look like J-Lo in like 21 years? Because that's how much older than her I am. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little notification bell when you subscribe so that you'll know every time I upload a new video. Also, follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Actually, not so much Snapchat. I almost never go on Snapchat anymore. So, Facebook, Instagram, what else do I say? Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Those ones you follow me on, and whenever because I've had a couple of people saying they're not getting the notifications from YouTube. So if you follow me on those, I always personally put out a notification on Twitter and Instagram and Facebook whenever I upload a video. So I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!